What in the world? Meow. Air Force One.
Now look. I found another one. Y'all ready?
Yep.
Ready?
It's gone now. Oh. Oh Jesus Christ! That thing went over my head so fast. I was like sitting here like recording, and I was like, okay. But I don't even know what all the. Oh. Oh, that went. Where? Oh, all 4 airplanes right here. I was about to say where all the 4 airplanes. I just realized that. One Mississippi. 2 Mississippi. 3 avocado. And last avocado. Yeah, all 4 airplanes. Oh, I want to do something. Oh, like I want to do something very stupid. Like I want to do something very stupid. Like it's gonna be dumb. Okay, I made something very zesty.
Oh
I made it so zesty. Hold up. It's already back. Look, it's so zesty now.
Zesty.
But straight zesty. Hold up. I want to see how it flies.
True
Does it even gonna fly?
I don't know. Try to see.
Yeah, they could be so stupid. That's swear.
Try it.
Oh shit! That shit actually fly. That thing actually fly. That actually fly pretty good. I would better take a fall like a brick.
Red, just look at it.
What? Oh that thing went over my head. It's like a. Oh, that didn't have my dad right there. Oh. I just saw blue lights, and I just see like lights, and I was like, that ain't him. So we're good. We're good for now.
Gang. Yo, y'all, what's up? Y'all, what's up, bro? Just look at me, bro. I was just playing basketball. I'm finna see what Trish look crazy I'm doing. Think I'm funny, so. Alright.
That piece of me look at the airplane. That didn't even can fly. What the? Oh my god! It's gonna do a whole loop de loop. It's gonna do a whole loop. Loop de loop and pull. Oh shit! I just watched it. I just say loop de loop and pull, and I just realized about to hit me. I want to see how zesty it fly. Oh shit! That was almost about to hit me. I was like, I was about to say, where did it go? But I was like, how did I lose an orange air? Dang! I just heard the sound of it.